Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily put market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday 12th of March. Looking at dollar yen, which has started to claw back lower again. We've seen that there was a technical rally that engaged on Tuesday, huge technical rally actually, as the dollar started to gain strength. Now essentially the dollar is not performing badly today, it's just that the yen is performing super well, and we've seen that dollar yen forming a bear candle yesterday and a negative candle today. It's interesting though that since the European trading session has really sort of kicked in, there's not been a great deal of movement really through dollar yen. It's actually picked up slightly off the 103 figure mark, which essentially in the last few days has become sort of a pivot area really. A little bit of resistance became supportive since then, and again this morning a bit of resistance, bit of support again. So it seems to be that there is a near-term basis that you could be finding support around 103 figure, and then the markets will be looking for possibility of breaking back higher again. And if you sort of looking even closer once more, again where I've got this crosshair, it's sort of thereabouts around that 104.30 mark. There is this sort of basis of another near-term pivot. So a bit of pivot resistance coming in around 410 to 430. And again, if you start to see dollar yen clawing back above that, then you could start to see this market start to engage a little bit higher again. You start to think of 105 figure, 105.90, which was the reaction high from 2 days ago. So it's an interesting element of consolidation that has edged into the market in since the European session kicked in. If you look at the daily chart, actually the indicators are starting to look a little bit less negative, certainly on the stochastics edging higher. MACD lines are still falling away quite strongly, but I'm still sort of looking at the fib levels, 23.6% at 103.80. Look for that as a bit of a gauge, because obviously breaking back above that is a strong indication of recovery. And if you can see that the dollar yen holds above 103.80 today, then I think that could be considered to be a little bit of a positive for the bulls to work with. But just early days, but it's very interesting that we're starting to see an element of consolidation, perhaps in front of the ECB, but still an element of consolidation. Watch out for the US trading session to kick in though. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign in for our webinars.